Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today's video I want to talk about natural hair products, and a lot of people giving that as a cause to why they're not want to be natural anymore, saying that it's too expensive, and some yes are too expensive, but to me it all depends on your regimen. And are you overwhelmed? Do you know what you're doing? Or are the products working? Or are you getting good advice from a professional? Are you investing in yourself to go to a professional to, get those products? And if you are getting those products, how are you using them? Are you using them with a heavy hand? A lot goes into that, y'all. Because I know a lot of clients that have long hair and been natural for years, and they don't have that much problem with it. Like, I feel like I've been natural for about 10 years. So of course at the beginning stages I was spending money on products, trying to find my way with them, and I was just interested in trying new products. And of course they came with a price tag, but as time progressed, like, I just kept it simple. Like, I just got me a simple shampoo and a simple conditioner. Or if I had it in a shop or something and I already have it on hand or something, I use what I have. It just all depends, because coming from a stylist that had to buy products for clientele, like, it can run up. But stylists, it can be pretty expensive to find products that'll be for everybody and not dig deep into our pockets. So over time, that's why we try to find universal products that'll work for the majority, so we can save money. And I feel like we should use that same type of tip on natural hair. Like, if it's a universal product that works well, and it might cost a little more than a cheap old dollar store product, I say invest in it. And to me, a lot of those expensive products, you don't have to use so much. But some people have some products are really cheap. You can, like, get your bang out of your buck. But I say, when you have a product, stick to it, and don't try to keep trying products because you see somebody else trying this, trying it. When you try to find something, stick to it. We live in a society where we lack consistency. Like, back in the day, man, consistency used to be on top, but it's like now, generations now and all this now, it's like the consistency is not there. And I'm not gonna lie about that. Y'all excuse my tone, my voice. I just got over a little cold, so I'm shaking back. But yeah, like, let me know. Like, I know some might not agree with what I'm saying, but let me know in the comments, like, what are you struggling with as far as the expenses of being natural? Because I know some people say that, yeah, it's expensive to go to the salon being natural. Like, man, let's be all the way real. I was relaxed, and I used to go to the salon back in the early 2000s. When I was relaxed, I used to get $75 relaxers to get my hair shampoo, relaxed, and styled was $75. And that was from a cousin at the salon. So, man, like, come on now. But yeah, y'all, let me know below how y'all feel about that. And I want to help, if I can, whoever's struggling with expenses and natural hair. And also, yeah, just maybe I can give you a good regimen or something that can help you. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe, I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby.
calling your phone, why you not hitting me back? Please just pick up, don't wanna go tit for tat. Arguing on versus this, then